In the continuation of the educational series on PowerPoint software, in part 21, we will become familiar with the pie chart and the necessary tips for better design of these charts.
And the second chart is a pie chart. It is really practical chart and it can be used to show percentage, and it can be a suitable chart for you if you want to compare a part to the whole. Pay attention to write the number of each section in the pie chart, because we are not able to figure out the percentage of a part from the whole. Never use a 3D pie chart. That I will explain for you the reason. Actually causes visual error. It can be used to compare and display data collected from discrete variable. This is a 3D pie chart. It looks as if the orange part is bigger, but in fact it is the visual error. Actually, three parts are the same and equal, but when we use the 3D chart, it will create a visual error and looks as if the orange part is bigger. So never use 3D pie charts. And other point that you should take into consideration is using the pie chart is that don't break your chart into these much details. It is better that your pie chart breaks into 5 parts. In this way, and if you want to present the data and you insist to use the pie chart, instead of this, you can use these kind of charts that I will explain in the PowerPoint, that how can you see these charts. When you have more data and the tips that you should take it into account in the design of the pie charts are: make sure that the sum of the percentage reaches to 100%. The other tip is that, as I point out previously, do not place more than 5 sections in each chart. The other tip is that don't use 2 pie charts to compare variables, because humans' eyes can't compare 2 different sections of a circle. The best chart for comparing the variable can be the column chart or stacked column.
In order not to miss our next videos, you can click on the subscribe button and the bell. Thanks for accompanying me on this video. Bye bye.